Sonic, I can't sleep. It is too hot. Mario, is that you? Too hot. Need water. Oh, how many degrees is it outside right now? I'll go check. Alexa, how hot is it right now?
Right now it's 2,000 degrees Fahrenheit to basically it's freaking hot AF. Don't you dare step outside.
Oh my goodness. How am I even gonna sleep tonight? It's gonna be freaking hot tomorrow. Huh? Mario? I think I know what we're gonna do tomorrow. We're gonna watch TV? No, we're going to the beach, okay? Alright. What was that? Alright, Mario, you ready to go to the beach? Oh yeah, Sonic, I was born ready. Okay, I'm gonna call Uber. Let's go to that beach up in, what beach you wanna go to? Sonic, I don't know. As long as we go to the beach, I'll be happy. Let's just find the beach. Okay, I'll just call Uber. Okay, let's go.
We're with the Mario Brothers, and plumbing's our game. We're not like the others who get all the fame. If your sink is in trouble, you can call us on the double. We're faster than the others, you'll be hooked on the brothers.
Goodness, Sonic, we're at the beach! Come on, Mario, let's go set everything up! Sonic, this is a life. You said it, buddy.
Sonic? You wanna go hit the waters now?
Yeah, just let you wanna go dig a hole first?
Okay. Why are you being weird about this, Sonic?
No problem. No reason, Mario. Let's go now, okay? Come on.
Wait, what?
Just come back in a few minutes and this will be the deepest one we've ever seen. Oh, all done digging the hole. Now all I gotta do is go get Sonic. Sonic! Mario? When you meant dig a hole, I didn't mean you rude to me. Well, yeah, duh, Sonic. What else would I dig a hole for? Man, I'm gonna go swimming now. Bye-bye. Wait, Mario! Mario, I'm gonna kill you! Sonic, what's wrong, man? You left me buried in there for about a few minutes. It freaking traumatized me. Okay, sorry, Sonic. Jeez. Well, I don't even know what I'm gonna do anymore, so we might as well just go now. Sonic, we're not even done. We didn't even gonna go in the water yet. Sonic, if we go, we'll leave now, okay? After we get in the pool or the ocean, just come on, Sonic, let's go. I'm gonna be honest with you, man. We hedgehogs, we can't swim that much, Mario. I don't know how to swim, man. You don't know how to swim? Huh, that's why you've been weird about the water all day? Yeah, I don't like the water. I'm afraid of the water, man. Sonic, if you're afraid of something, you gotta face your fears and drown it on the bottom of the ocean. That's what I'm afraid of. I don't care, Sonic. Listen, you're gonna face your fears today. And if you face your fears, we'll leave. Okay? I don't want to. Please, Mario. I just want to go. Please, please, Mario. Listen, I'm scared. I just want to leave. We can just go. We can sit on bed. We can hang out. Nonsense, Sonic. We are going swimming right now. Wait. All right, Sonic. We're here. We're doing this right here, right now. No questions about it. Let's go. So. I'm scared. Sonic! 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 Come on, I got you, buddy. We gotta go forward. Don't be in this forever. Let's go. Mario! 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 What the food? Sonic! 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 What the? Where am I? I'm on the boogie board! I'm saved! Wave. Oh no, another wave! I need to go back to shore. Oh, I miss you, Sonic. Huh? The heck is that? Get back over here! What? Oh my goodness! It's a sea monster! Never again. Hey, we're never gonna speak of this again. Okay, Sonic? Well, guess it's time to pack the bags and go home. Right, Sonic? Yeah, Mario. I feel like I conquered a little bit of my fear today. I'm gonna try in the bathtub when we get home.
Hey guys, you ever wonder what's across the water?
Nope. Why don't we just use that boat? Sir,